Hello everyone and welcome in this Nalios tutorial. I hope you are doing well. So today we're gonna see together how to send an invoice by default, by email and by Peppol, because maybe as you know in the version 18 of Odoo, is it not possible to send an invoice by email and by Peppol by default. By default, only the checkbox for by Peppol is checked, and I want to send it by the two ways for my customers because I'm not sure that every one of them has already Peppol and an endpoint that is valid. So for example, I can show you, I have my contact that is called AXA, and I can see that in the accounting, AXA has an Peppol endpoint verification that is valid. So I can send invoice through Peppol to AXA. For the moment, if I go to my invoices and I create one invoice for this customer, let me just add something here. I can just write test and then I can confirm. If I want to send it to my client, as you see, I only have by Peppol that is checked. Why? Because on my customer and the accounting, I have written here that the invoice sending is by Peppol. But as you can see, it's not possible to put by Peppol and by email. If I stick only by email, it will be checked for by email, but not for by Peppol, but I want both. So what I can do for that is go to the settings, just right here, and at the bottom I can then activate the developer mode, the first one. Then I can go back to the invoice, select the one that I have created before, and click on send. As you can see, just right here, I have a little bug, and I can tick the checkbox that I want. So I want by Peppol and I want by email. Then I can click on the bug and you can see that I set default values. I can click on it and then you can choose sending method checkbox. Like this, Odoo will save by default the checkbox that you have already checked for this example, so by email and by Peppol. I can save by default. And then if I do another example, just to be sure that it works well, I can again select my customer, here write test again, and then here I can write 10, I can confirm, and when I send, you can see that boom, it's magic. Now I have by Peppol and by email. So for the version 19 of Odoo, this is not mandatory because it's possible in a standard way because it was like improved in this version, but in the version 18 is it not improved. So if you want to have it, this is a workaround that you can use easily to have it by default. So I hope this tutorial will help you and I wish you a very nice day. Thank you. Bye.